Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get to Old Lumiere in Expedition 33. Before I begin showing you the location of where it is in the map, it should be noted that Old Lumiere can only be accessed in Act 2, since SKA's swimming ability can only be unlocked after you finished Act 1. When you do finish Act 1, you're primarily at the Stone Wave Cliffs. Old Lumiere is all the way to the northwest. Follow this narrow path right here at the left. Once you've reached this islet here, approach the shoreline, and Old Lumiere will be just right next to you. On the shore, just run straight while leaning a little bit to the left. Go right past the building rubble, and just in front is Old Lumiere for you to conquer. And that's how to get to Old Lumiere in Expedition 33.